Engineers will hate this video.
In this video, you can see a homemade free energy machine that has been built using simple mechanical parts. The person explains that this setup uses a motor, belts, and a flywheel system mounted on a metal frame. He shows how the motor starts the rotation and then claims that once the system gains momentum, it continues running smoothly with very low external power. The wires and small control box are shown to demonstrate how electricity is transferred within the system. He highlights that the idea is to reuse rotational energy efficiently and reduce power loss. As the machine runs, he points out the steady speed and stability of the setup, suggesting it could be useful for small energy needs. The video ends by encouraging viewers to think creatively about renewable and alternative energy concepts.